So now what I'm going to do is actually master a lock set. I only do Schlage, been doing them for 4 or 5 years. This is the kit I use off Amazon. I do have to buy new pins quite often, but that's it. So this key currently is 57327, and that won't work for what I need for a master. So my master is 57535, and I'm going to rekey this lock as 77578. So let's go ahead and pull this screw. Here's my deadbolt cylinder. I'll get all my tools that I use here. These are the ones I always use. This is the one I use to pull the deadbolt. So let's unscrew this all the way off, drop out this pin in the spring, put in the key that I will not be using, slide it out. Let's save these pins. 5, 7, 3, 2, 7. So I need a 5, 7, 5, 3, 5. So to go from 5 to 7, I need a 2 pin. So in here I grab a 2 master pin, put it in there. Nothing there, nothing there. 3 and 4 is 7, so I need a 4 master pin. 4 master pin, put it in there. And then a 5 and a 3 is 8. 3 master pin, put it in there. Slide it in, turn, put back in my spring, put back in my pin, reinstall my back piece. So this key here should operate this lock, 77578, which it does. So that one is done. I'll put it back in the deadbolt. Grab the handle and do the same thing. Put the old key in, push in the pin, turn, pop it off. Key in, turn, remove the pin. Slide out. 5, 7, 3, 2, 7. Put in the new keys. The master is 5, 7, 5, 3, 5. 5 and 2 is 7, so put in a 2 master pin. 4 and 3 is 7, so put in a 4 master pin. 5 and 3 is 8, put in a 3 master pin. Slide it back in. Put it back on the clip. Put it back in the cylinder, or the handle. Put the tenet key in. Slide it in, turn, twist, done. So that lock set is now mastered and ready to go. What I do is I put it back in the box, and then what I'll do is I'll write on the box so I know where to install it at. And I put it in backwards so I know it's done. So it's in the box backwards, and I'll write the unit number and where it's going on the back of the box. Thank you. And again, I am not a master locksmith. I am just handy, and I like to get things done.